that is Tech Insights. So today we are going to discuss and compare about getting a job after BCA or opting for higher studies after BCA.
After BCA, there are many students who face problem, which is for choosing a job after BCA or going into the higher studies. Both are perfect, but you should be wise to select one among them. Basically, if you prefer a job experience, then it will be a great. Like you can again go into higher job positions after getting an experience. Like the company will ask for experience nowadays, but again at the point, higher studies plays a vital role. If you get higher studies, a degree can help you get a more well job rather than doing BCA. But still, both are equivalent. If you get a 3 experience in job market, or if you get 2 years of master's degree, it's equivalent. That's the main thing.
But after BCA, if we opting for higher studies, it will also help us to give a chance to specialize our field like various field like data mining, software engineering, etc. So how you
There are many jobs there are many job companies who basically give you the asset to parallelly study for higher studies, which would be beneficial for you. Like you can do that, but that's the main thing, that you have to do it parallelly. You can't concentrate not on a perfect thing. Like you have to either do a job properly or you have to do study only. That's the main thing. You have to manage yourself. That's it.
So after getting job, it is quite difficult to opt for higher studies or to get back into higher studies, as the interest in studies is gone, as you have started to earning money for your daily needs. So
Yeah. So basically, to meet your daily needs, you have to earn money, which you can't after getting into a higher job, after getting into a higher studies.
you like MBA or MCA.
Yeah. So you can't earn money in parallel way, but the main reason for opting into a job is that you can pursue your higher studies parallelly with job,
Yeah,
which will be
because-
beneficial for you only.
Yes, and also sometimes if you get into a job, after some time you lose interest, and also the study or for the eager of study more is gone.
That's true. So it's beneficial in both ways. Like, yeah, you need money for your family as well. To meet your daily needs is one of the main reasons. But also, if there is an emergency, you need money for that. And for that, you need to have a job, a secure job basically. But after opting, like the degree which you get from job industry, like they offer companies like Wipro, SAP Labs, they give jobs. They give jobs as well as they offer for higher studies like MTech and MCA. But the main difference between the degree which they are offering and the degree which you get from college is basically a huge difference. Basically, you are doing that online, and for the college, you have to visit the college and then you have to.
It is more beneficial.
It is more beneficial.
Yeah,
It will be more in records. So in that way also, higher studies would prove you as a better point.
Yeah.
But nowadays, students are less focusing on higher studies just because nowadays there's a trend which is called the skills matters more than degrees.
Exactly.
That's a main point for the students opting for job rather than studies.
But we can say that if you are getting a chance to do higher studies, you can surely pursue it, because it will also secure your future goals, as you have done this higher studies, and it will also not create a problem between your job, as you mentioned that we can do online master degree or high studies, so it will be more beneficial to us everyone.
Basically, both the fields after doing BCA is good. It depends on situations. Like if you don't have the eager right now to earn money and want to have a higher certificate of degree, then it's recommended to do for higher studies. But if you have family problems, if you have the eager to earn money from right now, then you should get into the job market.
Like we are discussing after getting a job after BCA, that you can also do that if you are interested in other field like managerial post, you can pursue for MBA. It will also beneficial to us if you can shift the that you can do coding and you can shift your career. It will be also.
It's beneficial. That's right.
So what we can conclude from that?
It depends on what situation you are in.
Yeah.
If you have interest to do higher studies,
Yeah,
if you
yeah.
want to gain more knowledge at a particular and perfect place,
Yeah.
then it's recommended to go for higher studies from reputed colleges.
Yeah.
But if you are facing some problem, financial problems, then it's recommended to go towards the job market.
Yes, and also we recommend to do degrees from better colleges, so you can get more good placements rather doing degree from any normal college. And you should crack any exams like CAT for MBA. Thank you. हो गया भाई इतने देर बाद क्योंकि एंगल भी घुमाया हम लोग भी घूम रहे थे ठीक है ऐसे अब देखते हैं कुछ बात कर रहे थे टेक इनसाइड वहाँ पे नहीं बोलूँगा ना देर से तो एक बार नहीं इंटरेस्ट बोलना था अग्री
राम राम।
इतना रिकॉर्ड हो गया काट देंगे इसको ठीक है